Alright, hey everybody, this right here is our vending machine, and as you can see it says 75 cents on the price thing. Well, today I'm going to show you how to change the price on one of these machines. First of all, we're going to buy a soda and show you that it is 75 cents. I have all nickels right here. Alright, so that one went to the coin box for some reason. Now let's make a selection. Let's get a Dr. Pepper. And there we go. But now, I'm going to show you how to change the price. Alright everybody, now we're inside the machine. And right here is the coin mechanism. You're not going to want to worry about anything else like that schematic over there. That's not necessary. What we're going to have to do is look at this mechanism right here. So this is the mechanisms like this. I'm just going to demonstrate a mechanism like this, which you see on older type machines. I have no idea what they're called. I think single price machines, but yeah. So what we have to do is see these two latches on top. What we're gonna want to do is pull up both latches till the mechanism becomes loose. Pull it out gently but firmly. And then you also see these little tabs at the bottom, or these little rails that the mechanism slides into. Pull it out of that. Then you have the mechanism. Ooh. I'll put this to one side. Alright, now after pulling off the mechanism, you expose the circuit board. And then you see these 5 dip switches. There's typically 5. Now this is how the mechanism is. This is how the how these dip switches are laid out. Number 1 is 5. Number 2 is 10. Number 3 is 20. Number 4 is 40. And number 5, 80. 5, 10, 20, 40, 80 meaning cents. So let's say you wanted $1. You're going to want to do 3 and 5. Because 3 being 20 cents and 5 being 80 cents. Maybe this wants to focus. No, it won't. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is, if you set it on all dip switches on 0, this will happen. Alright, now I have inserted 15 nickels or 75 cents. And if we press Diet Pepsi, nothing is going to happen because the machine does not know how much money to insert does not know how much money should be inserted. So I have 3 more nickels. Any money will work except for pennies. See, if you keep inserting it, it'll just keep going in the box. So yeah, not a good idea. So what you're, so just flip the dip switches to your desired price setting. So let's say I just want to change it back to 50 cents. So what we're gonna have to do is, it's gonna take a little bit of math to do. So 40 cents plus 10 cents. 10 cents is 2. 40 cents is 4. So just press those desired dip switches. Alright. And then, now just stick the mechanism back in. Alright, take your mechanism and just stick it back in. And then make sure the little notches on the bottom match in with the notches in the body of the mechanism. And then once you have those in, all it does is snap right back into place with the tabs. You might want to make sure everything's working. Yeah. And then just close up your machine. Alright everybody, now I have 10 nickels. I hope I have 10. So now let's start feeding the machine. And you hear the relay click. Now we're going to buy a soda. Let's buy Dr. Pepper. And then you have a Dr. Pepper. So I hope this has helped everyone. So right now, thank you for watching, and that is it.